one of them was the Dingo. This was the other one. This one wasn't actually in production until 1941. But this is the Daimler Armoured car, a kind of beefed up version of the Dingo. Designed to carry the 2-pounder anti-tank gun you can see there. Again, in use up until sort of 1950s, 1960s, so very capable with a kit. Now there. Getting a slight pause because now, for the first time, the tank museum, really. That means it's got a pedigree, and the big thing with this is they really get this right. They've got it right with the Dingo. That was the one that achieved all the specifications that the people started watching. You can listen to that engine, it sounds fantastic, and it's just rolled in here now. The difference between this and the